Hey everyone, welcome back to the Technology Trends. Today, we're diving into the Apple Watch Ultra 3 and yes, the final specs are here, with some powerful AI upgrades you don't want to miss. Set to launch alongside the iPhone 17 lineup this September 2025, this is Apple's most advanced smartwatch yet. Visually, not a huge shift, the Ultra 3 keeps the 49mm titanium case with sapphire glass. But internally, it's a whole new beast. New color options may include Titan Gray and Midnight Blue, exclusive to the Ultra 3. Under the hood, we now have the S10 SIP chip, Apple's next-gen processor that's 30% faster and significantly more efficient. Battery life? Still 36 hours standard, but up to 72 hours in low-power mode, perfect for adventurers. Now, let's talk AI. Apple is finally bringing more intelligence to the wrist. Smart health alerts powered by Apple Intelligence. Real-time translation directly from the watch. Improved Siri with on-device processing, faster, private, and way more helpful. Workout suggestions based on your habits, health, and calendar. It's also getting Wi-Fi 6E, faster Bluetooth 5.4, and satellite messaging support for emergencies, an upgrade over Ultra 2. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 will be announced mid-September 2025, and ship later that month. Expected price? Still $799, just like its predecessor, no price bump, which is great news. So with smarter AI, better performance, and the same rugged design, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 looks like a solid evolution. But is it worth the upgrade from the Ultra 2? Let's talk in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you don't miss our full review after launch.